Hey guys, so today is errand day, raffle day, August 15, 2019 here in the Philippines. And yeah, we're about to join the raffle over at BGC for the Yeezy 700 Waverunners. So actually this is the fourth or fifth time that this pair is actually releasing, and I need a new pair because my old pair that I used to own, I sold it before to fund my Japan trip last November. So yeah, hopefully we get to win this time. Peace. Hey guys, so we just got to BGC and we're about to join the raffles for the Yeezy 700 Waverunner. So first up we have Adidas over here in Central Square. But first I'll try to get something to eat because I haven't had breakfast yet. So yeah, I'll take you guys with me. So first up we have Adidas here in Central Square, and that's the line for the raffle. So it's been a while since Adidas actually made this a raffle instead of a first come first serve, which is very chaotic. So yeah. So we just finished over at Adidas. We got our raffle ticket. Now we're on the way to SM Aura because we have another raffle over there via cup date. So yeah. So for today I decided to wear the Ultra Boost version 1 creams because we're joining an Adidas raffle, and right over there is SM Aura. So yeah, let's go. So next store up we have Commonwealth because we're about to join the raffle again via the Cop Date app. So we just finished up over here in BGC. Now it's time to wait for the raffle results. So yeah, see you guys on Saturday. Peace. Okay guys, so starting off a little early today, we have new pickups from the US. So over here we have Essentials Fear of God line that we're about to unbox for the next video. Then right here we have the Nike SB Jordan 1 LA to Chicago's. But for today's video, the highlight is this pair right here, which is the Kyrie 5 Spongebob Squarepants. And over here I have the Squidward colorway that I got through the Nike sneakers app. So yeah, peace. What's up guys, we're currently on the way to BGC to pick up a pair of sneakers. And yeah, it isn't the Yeezy 700 Waverunner because we took an L on the raffles. We actually joined 3 raffles at Adidas, Commonwealth, and Soul Academy. So yeah, it's okay because I already had a pair of the Yeezy 700 Waverunners before. So hindi naman siya yung gusto ko talagang hinahabol ko na pair. I sold my pair because I had to fund my trip for Japan last November with my barkada. So and that explains why I don't have a pair anymore. But yeah, the pair that we're about to pick up today is actually something that I really like. So yeah, I'll take you guys with me and show you guys the pair. Peace. So we just got to BGC. Now let's head on over to Nike. So I guess this is the line for the claiming of the pair. So yeah, super haba. We're at Nike Park BGC. So let's check it out. Two hours later. So apparently there was a line in trying to claim the pair, but finally successful. We got it. Now it's time to test these out on the court. Now let's try to wear this pair. Let's go. On dead stock, boys. So may tags pa. Dead stock with tags. Tried on. So there you guys have it. That's the on-foot look of the Kyrie 5 Patrick Star. And so I'll make a review later. Peace. Hey guys, so I changed my t-shirt now because I was super pose. But I have Bianca over here because I picked her up from the airport. Jet setter. But yeah, right here we have the pair, the Kyrie 5. And we have the Patrick Star colorway right there. So I really like this colorway because siya yung pinaka stand out talaga among the collection. So we had 5. We had the Spongebob, we have Patrick, we have Squidward that we showed you guys earlier. We also have a Kyrie 2 low na Mr. Krabs and the Sandy Cheeks, which isn't released locally, yung Sandy. And yeah, we were able to secure the pair na Patrick Star that you guys saw earlier. We tried to use hooping sa 2B Sports. So first initial review for it is actually hindi ko siya gusto kasi malas, hindi ako makashoot.
What?
Joke lang. I really like it off the bat na super comfortable niyang sneaker. Ako rin kasi, pag pipili ako ng for basketball shoe, mas pinipili ko kasi yung style kaysa sa comfort because mas gusto ko maporma yung shoe ko. I don't know, that's just me. I'm not really good in basketball and I'm not really a player. I just play for fun. So, this is my choice from the Nike Spongebob Kyrie Irving collab, Patrick Star. So I'm actually looking for another pair, the Spongebob, kasi gusto ko kompletuhin yung collection. And minsan if magustuhan ko, if matripan ko mag mix and match, I can do that. I mean, you can wear the other pair sa left foot and the other pair sa right foot. I mean, super stylish niya. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like and comment down below which one is your favorite among the pack. And see you guys in the next time. Peace.